So more about engine cylinders. So one can pose a question, man, what happens chechibao if I replace my 4.6 liter engine eri mu Range Rover oba mu Prado with a 2.0 engine or 1.5 liter engine from a Primo or a chechibao, right? So basically it can work if you replace your 2.0 liter engine, if you replace your 4.6 liter engine with a 2.0 liter engine, but then the consequences is it will greatly reduce its performance. Fine, oyinza okuba obalamba omaanyi amafuta gakulya nnyo, or your car is consuming too much fuel with a 4.6 liter, then if you replace with a 2.0 liter, it will consume less fuel because you still want to drive your big car, but it will greatly reduce the performance, for example accelerating, racing. Yeah, so it's not recommended.